Hey, California homeowners! Is your home ready for whatever winter throws at it? Here's a quick January checklist to keep your place safe and sound. First, let's talk water. Check your gutters and downspouts. Make sure they're clear of leaves and debris so water can flow freely away from your foundation. Next, inspect your home's exterior. Look for any cracked or peeling paint and worn-out caulking around windows and doors. Sealing these up now can prevent water from seeping in and causing major damage. Don't forget to look up. Examine your roof for any missing or damaged shingles. A small issue now can become a big, expensive leak during a storm. If you're unsure, it's always smart to call a professional. With shorter days, good lighting is key. Test all your outdoor lights and replace any burnt-out bulbs. It's an easy way to boost safety and curb appeal. Finally, take some time to declutter and organize after the holidays. A tidy space feels amazing and makes your home more enjoyable. Stay on top of these tasks and you'll be set for a cozy and worry-free winter. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more home tips. Tracy Kyoto, PhD student, Realtor, DRE number 015-10763. All state homes and real estate and mortgage professionals.